Hi, my name is Luke Parmentier, and I'll be discussing the importance of smart things. Smart things include smartphones and tablets, and it also includes other smart devices. On this website, I will be discussing some of the purposes, impacts, technology, and data related to smart things. On the purpose page, I am discussing some of the purposes of smart things, some of the problems they've helped, and some opportunities and innovations they've made possible. Smart things or smart devices are electronic tools that connect to networks or other electronic tools wirelessly. The most popular smart devices are smartphones and tablets. A smartphone is a phone that performs many of the functions of a computer, typically having a touchscreen interface, internet access, and an operating system capable of running and downloading applications. Additionally, smart devices is a term used to describe remote and automatically controlled appliances and electronic systems such as home heating, cooling, and security systems. The picture on the right shows a smartphone being used to control an air conditioning unit. Impacts page. Smart things have many impacts. Some of the most beneficial are in collection and use of data on HIV and other diseases in underserved populations throughout the world. As illustrated in the picture on the right, and smart devices such as programmable thermostats have helped consumers reduce their energy resource use. Many of the impacts of smart things are very positive, such as their use in helping the health of the poor in many regions throughout the world. One of the downsides is in their constant use of smartphones and social media instead of having a deeper and more meaningful and direct conversation between people. One field that has a lot of potential impact from smart things is the smart home. Many companies are vying to dominate the automation and control of the home smart technology. Some analysis suggests that development of a layer of software that sits on top of the various smart home systems will have the largest impact. This video shows me asking about the impact of smart things. In the past 50 years, consumer smart things have evolved from basic calculators and simple word processors to the vast array of devices and gadgets that are everywhere today. When handheld calculators were first made commercially available, people debated whether they made us dumber. The debate continues and gets more intense as we use smart things more and more. Do apps that help us remember where we left our phones make us even more forgetful? Do apps that lock our door and set our thermostats on our homes do the same thing? Tech page. Users interact with smartphones and other smart things in a variety of ways. The most common is through the touchscreen, which works by drawing an electrical charge from your skin. Apps let the users interact with many smart devices. Remote controls are sometimes used, and the voice recognition is yet another way users interact with smart devices. Many smart appliances rely on the internet to connect users to the devices. All of the smart appliances that use apps are using programming to function. Smartphones are usually using both the internet and programming when working with apps, although some apps, once downloaded, no longer need an internet connection to function. On to data. With smartphones, anytime an app is accessing the internet, it is pulling in or sending out data. When you use your smartphone to check your email, you are pulling in data, and when you send an email back, you are sending out data. The same goes for texting and any other social media source. Web-based computing means you are entrusting data to information systems that are managed by remote servers on the web. Web-based computing raises privacy concerns because the service provider has access to all the data and could either accidentally or deliberately allow its unauthorized use. The next section is references. The first two references were the most helpful in writing this website. They are both Wikipedia links. That's onto the homepage. I use Pixlr, a free computer graphics program, to create my website's background image and my banner image. I combined an image that I downloaded into Pixlr, manipulated it with some filters, and added text into it for the banner. I created my logo in Pixlr too. I used a downloaded image and changed the color and size and added text. My website title and my name. I used EasyGIF to make an animated GIF of a picture I took of myself with my MacBook's camera, an image from the web related to my topic, and my logo. I manipulated the three images in Pixlr. I made them fade into each other with EasyGIF. Impacts page. To make the video for my website, I used both my MacBook's camera and my mic and my iPhone to record. Then I created a YouTube account and imported my video into my YouTube account. I used the YouTube video editor to trim the video and to add music and transition effects into it. Scroll up to survey graph. I created a survey from Google Docs on my topic page. People in my class responded to the question on the forum. I use Google Trends to visualize and analyze the responses to my survey. A graph of the responses, the data, is seen on the impacts page of my website. Go back to homepage. I made my website by using cPanel, which allows me to manage the files of my website, which is hosted on an account through URI. This is how the website is on the web server. I edited a file called index.html, which is the default landing page for my website. This is the website's homepage. I used HTML to get the basics of the web pages down. I created an external style sheet using CCS to style the pages. To learn more, visit my website, lukeparmentier.vps.cs.uri.edu.